This is called Dagger, which is a free extension for Premiere Pro, and it works very much like FX Console for After Effects, meaning applying effects is much faster, as all you have to do is use a shortcut. So let's jump into Premiere. The first thing you want to do is head over to Window at the top, Extensions, and launch the Spellbook. Locate Unsheath Dagger. If you can't find it, just head over to Plugin and select Dagger. Then it should appear at the top. And what you can do here is assign a shortcut. So my keybind is Control B. You can do whatever you like. So for example, something like let's try O. Except that did not work because it's already in use by another command. So what I'm going to do is cancel out of that, head over to Edit and Keyboard Shortcuts. Now if I hold Control and then O, both at the same time, so I'm just holding them down. Down here I can see these shortcuts which have already been assigned by default. So what I can do is get rid of them. All I have to do is click the X on both of these. But I'm not going to do that because I did Control B. So I did the exact same thing, Control B, and got rid of it. So right now there's nothing. Then I went back into Spellbook and assigned the shortcut that I want. So here it's Control B. Now it's time to test it. So I've got a random clip here. And what I'm going to do is press Control B because that's my shortcut. And there it is, Dagger. So you can search for any effect. Let's go for S_shake, Sapphire Shake. Just click and done. It's applied. It's really that straightforward. And what you can also do is head over to the Window, Extensions, Dagger, or just use your shortcut. I don't really know why I did that. And what you can do is right click here, head over to the Settings. Under the Favorites tab, you can add your favorite effects so that they will appear at the very top. So I could do S-Shake because I like S-Shake. And I can also hide some effects. For example, let's go for Alpha Glow. So now if I try and use the shortcut, Control B, and search for S, okay, S-Shake is at the top. However, if I search for Alpha or Alpha Glow, it's not going to appear. And that's because I've hidden it.